Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. Let us see a term called queuing theory in this session. Queuing theory is a branch of mathematics that studies how lines form, how they function, and why they malfunction. Queuing theory examines every component of waiting in line, including the arrival process, service process, number of servers, number of system places, and the number of customers, which might be the people, data packets, cars, or anything else. Real life application of queuing theory cover a wide range of businesses. Its finding may be used to provide faster customer service, increase the traffic flow, improve order shipments from warehouse, or design data network and call centers. As a branch of operation research, queuing theory can help inform business decisions on how to build more efficient and cost-effective workflow system. Queues can occur whenever resources are limited. Some queuing is tolerable in any business since total absence of a queue would suggest a costly overcapacity. Queuing theory aims to design balanced systems that serve customer quickly and efficiently but do not cost too much to be sustainable. At its most basic level, queuing theory involves an analysis of arrivals at the facility such as a bank or a restaurant and analysis of processes currently used. The end result is a set of conclusions that aim to identify any flaws in the system and suggest improvement. The origin of queuing theory can be traced to early 1900 by Karup Erlang, a Danish engineer. His work led to Erlang theory of efficient network and the field of telephone exchange network analysis. Thanks for watching. Bye.